Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your GPU model, firmware, and whether onboard RGB or external headers are supported. Once done, install the latest GPU drivers and the vendor RGB utility or a compatible third-party app. Make sure power connections are solid and any external RGB controller is connected to the correct 5V/12V header. You'll open the RGB app now. This is where you will set color zones and modes. Move deliberately. Misreading headers causes no color changes, not damage. You will now assign zones and pick a profile. In the app, select the GPU, then map each lighting zone to its control region. This lets you set different colors per zone. Next, choose a mode: static for one color, breathing for pulsing, rainbow for gradients, or synchronize to match motherboard or peripherals. Adjust brightness and effect speed to avoid washout. Save the configuration as a named profile so you can recall it quickly. If needed, export it for backup. You're finishing by applying the profile and validating results. Test colors while idle and under GPU load to confirm stability and temperature effects. Some effects dim when the card is hot. If zones don't respond, try restarting the RGB app or reinstalling it, then reflash GPU firmware only if vendor recommends. Make sure header voltages are correct and cables aren't loose. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the RGB controller to defaults before swapping parts. This often clears ghost profiles and restores expected color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.